Here's a neat way to organize all the sanding paper. So by using just use cardboard tubing, cardboard cores, which you can get from any fabric place or any paper distributor. In the case for our sublimation process, we get these cores, so we cut them, and we have 80 grit, 100, 1,000. It's a great way to organize this and not have them all over. And this is basically our tool cart, which is still a work in progress. So we keep making additions and new pieces. Hope that helps and gives you some extra new ideas how to organize and have all your tools available.